Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Moon box. I'm very excited to open my Witch's Moon. It's one of my favorite boxes. I wish I could show you guys what's going on outside because I got tons of new baby animals. 6 poults, 5 ducklings, and 5 chicks, and a mean rooster, which is going to be awesome. But right now, let's check out what's in the Witch's Moon box for June 2019. It smells delicious. Ooh, stag moon. Beautiful. Look at Shadow's art. Cleansing mantra. Also beautiful. Is it going to be a cleansing themed box? I don't know. Here's my oracle. Just the back of it. And the blessing of letting go. Free yourself from negative entanglements by letting go of emotional ties, beliefs, and outdated ways of thinking that no longer serve you. You have the power. That which you let go will transform into an endless blessing. Namaste. This has been a recurring theme in all of my divination, is letting go. But change has never been my jam. That's right, the theme was declaring. I knew that, but I forget that with all the other details that I have to hold in my head, like warfarin dosing. Oh, gotta keep the dealy bobbers contained. Oh my gosh, I smell the citrus. Hyssop, I don't think I have any of, and that's one of my favorite things is getting herbs that I don't have any of because I have tons of herbs by now. Ground sage. Elf leaf. I might, although it looks like rosemary. That's one thing about Witch's Moon. They have lots of names for more mundane herbs, which is really cool. Uh-oh, I think I know what I've got in here. This is a stand. This is a bundle. Really fragrant. I mean, it appears to me to be rosemary, but I'll have to look in the booklet. Consecrate. Sacred salt. This is a really pretty container. I smell too hard at it off my nose. Wow. Brandy for the win. I hear my kid getting closer and I hope he's not coming in. Okay, I'm opening this candle. Dad's getting my little Hellion. Ooh. The silencing. This has got to be where the citrusy smell is coming from. Hope you can see all the items here. The incense. Citrusy as well. I'm feeling like it's lemon. Looks like I got an oil here. Go out of the room, please. Okay, hurry up.
What is it? No, Gamey! Daddy!
It's okay.
Gamey!
Just get gamey. This is
No, Gamey!
Vanish oil.
No, Gamey!
Daddy just grabbed my son. Now he's in trouble. Oh, kills me to hear him cry. So Banish. Let's continue. Everybody's okay. No more crying. We can keep looking at what we're looking at. Oh, this is stuck to this. Dang. It's heavy. Let's see what else. Sodalite, I think. Ooh, pretty. It looks like, I have to read about what the symbols are. And that one reminds me of the sun, or a flower. Alright, let's see what the big item is. Although I think I know what it is. It's heavy. Wow. I'm getting like small looks at it. Whoa. It's like rough. And like got stuff on it. Maybe barnacles, I don't know. Seaweed. It's beautiful and heavy. I really like it. I think I will keep this one as a secondary one. I really like the heft of it. I've got to learn how to do this properly to hold it. Okay, there we go. Cool. Alright, let's read a little bit about this. As within all aspects of our life, clearing the energy around us is a necessary component of creating our sacred space. The routine cleansing that embodies our work, home life, meditation, and sacred ritual will determine the very outcome of our manifestations and directly correlates with the quality of energy that we allow to resonate around us. We practice these very rituals many times throughout our day to ensure that the sacred energy that surrounds us and our practice remains as a magnet to the divine. So, basically, let's look at the item. Spiny oyster shell. The spiny oyster shell included within this collection has been handpicked and ethically sourced from beneath the ocean's floor off the waters of South America, specifically for this purpose. This beautiful shell is commonly known for its use in jewelry, emanating a subtle orange glow. In general, shells carry with them the ability to present clarity in our thoughts and motions, giving us directions toward choosing wise paths in our journey. So cool. Large hand-carved tripod pedestal, which is this. Rosemary sage bundle. So that's this here. Pretty. Ooh, I'm going to knock this over. No, I'm not. I'm going to do it like a champion. Cleansing Mantra, Book of Shadows artwork. The 3 Rays of Witchcraft pewter pendant with chain. So it's designed by Christopher Penzak. Let me see. The 3 rays resemble love, wisdom, and power. And on the back of the penny, you'll find a sacred symbol for the Temple of Witchcraft. The silencing rolled spell candle. Creating a silent space within your home or ritual area. As you allow the candle's flame to dance before you and recite the words provided, allow prior thoughts, emotion, and mental chatter to slowly start to dissipate. Let me see. It's rolled in rosemary buds, as well as anointed with a special mixture of our clearing magic spray. Cool. Banish anointing oil. It is for dispelling negative and unwanted energies around you. As you anoint your tools and self with this oil, visualize a large white orb becoming larger and larger around you. So it basically has rosemary, spearmint, and ylang-ylang. And the herbs of ground sage, rosemary, and spearmint as well. A Lemurian quartz. A special mixture of our Be Gone. Consecrate sacred salt. And this one has been myrrh, frankincense, and cypress, as well as eucalyptus and ground sage. I was way wrong. There was no citrus. Clarity incense sticks. are lemongrass. So probably this smell was emanating everywhere. A blue sodalite crystal. It helps with psychic insight, divination, tarot, and other intuitive rituals. Break through our ego, carrying us to the plane of insight. Hyssop is a wonderful herb, protective and purifying. Ground sage. You guys know that one. Elf leaf is rosemary. I knew it. Also, compass weed is rosemary. Stag moon, July Esbat, and full moon. And then personalized oracle reading. And a single parchment paper. So, cool. Very, very cool Witch's Moon box. If there's one thing that I never, ever get tired of, it's clearing items for clearing the space, because when you're an empath and you work closely with people, a lot of times in the worst times of their lives, a lot of that sticks with you. So I do like to cleanse the space around me often, to keep the energy up and to stop psychic nasties from preying on me. So what do you guys think of this box? I would love your feedback or your comments. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I always look forward to interacting with you guys in the comments. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful night.